I'm Brendan Van Eyck.
And I'm Ash Norris.
Welcome to the video tour of number 9 Huntingfield Court, Warragul. Come check it out.
Introducing this 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, low-maintenance home with 2 living areas and a double lock-up garage. The kitchen is the heart of the home and it features ample covered space, stone bench tops and a walk-in pantry. This low-maintenance landscaped backyard includes decking and an Alfresco, perfect for entertaining. Located in a quiet court location within the Chesterfield Estate, the property is approximately 3.3 kilometres from the Warragul CBD and less than 300 metres from the Chesterfield Park and playground. Inspections are sure to impress.